Lake Forest officials say they're trying to smoke out all the medical marijuana dispensaries that have opened up throughout the city.
City leaders say these pot shops are causing all sorts of problems in town, and the city's not going to take a hit any longer. Reporter Dave Nazar has been following the story and joins us now with all the details. Hi, Dave.
Hi, and Ann and Ed, this is actually a problem that many cities across Southern California are dealing with. Now, the city of Lake Forest has decided to take its fight to court, suing the medical marijuana storefronts in an effort to rid the city of the dispensaries. In Lake Forest, there are about 20 medical marijuana shops in a city of nearly 80,000 people. City officials say even one dispensary in their area is one too many.
People would call City Hall and ask, can I open a dispensary in your town? And we would tell them no, not allowed in the municipal code. But obviously not everybody follows the rules, and so we had people open up. And so now we're dealing with the aftermath of that.
Lake Forest city officials say they're not judging marijuana, whether it's good or bad. They just don't want the shops.
That really isn't our issue. Our issue is the municipal code.
What problem is it causing your city then?
Well, the secondary effects would be, there's an increase in crime.
The complaints are about increased crime activity, increased levels of nuisance and loitering.
Jeffrey Dunn is special legal counsel for Lake Forest. He's representing the city in its lawsuit against the marijuana shops. Dunn says the problems in the city today can be traced back to 1996, when California voters passed Prop 215.
What Prop 215 did and does today is it provides for people who are seriously ill, including cancer patients, an ability to use marijuana for medical purposes and to use it without the fear of being prosecuted under state law. But what it did not do is legalize marijuana for sale and distribution generally.
The city of Lake Forest might have inadvertently perpetuated the problem in that it does not require folks to get a business license.
Our city wants to be very business friendly, and they want to have minimal regulations and allow business to prosper in town. And so part of that philosophy is no business license and no business license tax to go along with it.
And that allowed marijuana dispensaries to thrive in Lake Forest.
They simply find a place to do business, they open up, and they start distributing and selling marijuana.
This is the Bell Tower Shopping Plaza on El Toro Road in Lake Forest. Here on the second floor there are 7 marijuana dispensaries right in a row. This afternoon we've seen people of all ages, all walks of life going through these doors. We spoke with one storefront owner who believes these shops are vital for the public.
We call, we verify their doctor's recommendation, we check their driver's license. These are people that have been prescribed marijuana, medical marijuana by a doctor. They've seen a physician who has basically evaluated them and diagnosed that this particular patient could benefit from medical marijuana.
Nasiri, who himself uses medical marijuana for anxiety, also takes issue with the city and its claim that crime has increased due to the pot shops.
If I think about it, it takes the crime off the street, it takes the drug dealing off the street.
And as Nasiri argues, it enables folks with serious health disorders to get their medical marijuana in a safe and legal way, even though the city claims these shops are not legal. Nasiri, who's also an attorney, says California law favors the shops, and what's more, he says the city's municipal code is vague.
It is not specifically mentioning that medical marijuana dispensaries are banned.
This is all about making a profit and distributing marijuana to large numbers of individuals.
Is this just one giant sham?
Well, that's what the other side would say, but I don't see it that way.
Now the question is, how will a court see it? This case will go before an OC Superior Court judge at the end of November.